In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell sample packs on Payhip. Selling your music sample packs online can be a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and provide value to other music producers. It's simple, straightforward, and with platforms like Payhip, you can easily manage your digital products. So, let's get started on this journey of sharing your musical creations with the world. First, you'll need to add your sample pack as a product on Payhip. To begin, make your way to the Products section in your dashboard. It should be fairly visible once you log in. From there, click on Products and then select Add New Product. This is where the magic begins, as you'll transform your file into something others can purchase and enjoy. Next, you'll want to select the product type. Here, you'll choose Digital Product because your sample packs, being in a digital format, fall under this category. It's important to specify this to ensure you're guided through the appropriate setup steps tailored for digital products. Now, it's time to upload your sample pack. Click on Upload Product File and select your zip file. Make sure that your sample pack is compressed into a zip format. This not only makes it easier to upload, but also offers convenience for your buyers to download in a single click. With your file uploaded, it's crucial to add some product details. Start by giving your sample pack a catchy and descriptive title. The title is often the first thing potential buyers will see, so make it engaging and reflective of what your pack offers. Next, set a competitive price. Research similar products on the market to gauge a fair price point that balances making a profit and enticing buyers. Writing a detailed description is your opportunity to highlight the unique elements of your sample pack. Focus on what sets it apart and the benefits it offers. A clear and inviting description can make a huge difference in attracting buyers who are scanning through many options. Additionally, don't forget to upload an eye-catching cover image that represents your sample pack well. This image will be the visual cue that draws people in, so choose something that stands out and reflects the essence of your music. Once all this information is in place, it's time to review it. Double-check that everything is accurate and complete. Pay attention to any details you might have missed earlier. It's always better to catch any mistakes now than after the product is live. Finally, everything looks good. It's time to save your work. Click on Add Product to publish your sample pack. Congratulations! Your sample pack is now live and available for purchase. This moment is a big step towards reaching new audiences and potential customers who will benefit from your creative efforts. As you venture into this new space, keep refining and updating your offerings to keep them fresh and engaging. Good luck with your sales and happy producing!